Will a blockchain for the national budget solve corruption? Senator Bam Aquino's Blockchain the Budget Bill wants to set up a national budget blockchain system. Sa gitna ng mga flood project anomalies, naging matunog ang bagong bill dahil nakilala na rin ang blockchain technology bilang isang form ng digital record keeping na transparent, immutable, at decentralized. Quick refresher muna tayo. For example, sa Bitcoin, isa sa pinakalaganap na implementation ng blockchain. Transparent ito dahil kita mo lahat ng transaksyon na dumadaloy dito. Kita mo kung ang isang Bitcoin address ay nagpadala sa isa pang address. Pangalawa, immutable ito dahil once na-record na ang isang transaksyon ay permanente na ito na nasa sistema. You can't erase or go back, you can only add or append. Think of an editable shared Google Doc. You can add or edit things except you have a complete view of the edit history of who did what. Paano to sinesecure? Gamit ang isang algorithm, ang bawat transaksyon ay may katumbas na unique na hash number. Think resibo na gumagamit ng mathematical code that you can't tamper with. Transactions in the blockchain are also approved via consensus across the entire network of computers participating in the blockchain. Kaya nga siya decentralized. There's not one computer or one person approving or auditing the transactions. Every computer has a copy of the ledger. Try to alter one transaction from one node and the hash number changes. So the rest of the network rejects it because the numbers don't match with the other nodes anymore. Ngayon, pwede ba siya ma-hack or ma-manipulate? Theoretically, an attacker would have to take control of at least 51% of the computers in the network to alter the records. A virtually impossible task in large blockchain-enabled systems such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. But alam naman natin na hindi magic pill ang kahit anong teknolohiya. Ang isa sa pinakamalaking issue ay pwedeng mangyari ang korupsyon bago ipasok ang record sa blockchain. Pwedeng nagkasundo na ang mga korap na politiko ng kanya-kanyang hatian kasama ang mga contractor bago ipasok ang transaction sa record ng blockchain. So sino ang itatalaga magbabantay sa pagpasok ng record at magbe-verifika sa nangyayari on the ground at ang naitatala sa blockchain? Still, at its core, blockchain by its very design promises more integrity than any other form of digital record keeping. Estonia, for instance, a country that has earned a reputation for being among the most digitally advanced, has deployed the blockchain since 2012. Its former president, Kersti Kaljulaid, wrote in 2022 how the tech has been able to dissuade tampering. Untamperable, honest record keeping certainly sounds scary if you're corrupt. How the bill develops from here on out is certainly something to look out for. For more on this and other stories, download the Rappler Communities app available for Apple and Android.